What's going on, guys? 3G Racing here, back at it with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be working on my carbon fiber hood back here and trying to get some rain guards made, because as you can see, it's just some mesh in there right now. So we're going to try to get that done and then hopefully get some hood pins in here as well. So let's get right into it. Alright, so as you guys can see here, it's legit carbon fiber VIS racing hood, but clearly we need something to go over this so it's not getting my engine bay all wet, causing other problems that we don't need. So I'm going to put some sheet metal right through where all this mesh is, and hopefully that solves all our issues. Alright, y'all, so here's the middle mesh piece here. I'm just going to trace it with this Sharpie here on the sheet metal here, and then we're going to cut it out, so let's go for it. Alright guys, so I got the cutters right here. Not really sure what they're called, but they're made for cutting steel and stuff. They have ones that are meant for turns, straight lines, and all that. So I'm just going to use this to cut out all around the edges here, and then I'm going to drill holes in it so that we can get it fitted. Alright y'all, so I got the centerpiece cut out here. Just got to sand down the edges, straighten everything out, drill the holes in it, and then we'll be good to do the side pieces then. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to be sanding it down. So next up, I have all these black dots here where I need to drill holes for it to go through. So we got one here, there, and you guys get the point. So yeah, I'm gonna go drill these holes. Got the drill right here, and I'll be right back with you guys in. Alright y'all, so I was drilling the holes in the big piece over here. The drill died, so I'm charging the battery right now, but yeah, it's got a couple more holes to do, and then I've started cutting out these small pieces over here for the other vents in the hood, so I just got 2 more to do, and then we'll be able to drill holes in that, finish drilling the holes in there, and put everything back in the hood over here. Alright guys, so I finished the middle piece here, got all the holes drilled out, clamped in, everything's good to go, sanded it down some more. It's not perfect by any means, but it'll do the trick. It's going to be under the hood anyway, so yes sir, that's the first part. Now I just gotta finish up the sides here. Alright y'all, got the other half over here done. I know these 2 tabs are breaking off, so that's why there's no hole drilled there. There's actually no tab there. But I'm gonna go get to the store and get some sealant after I get these 3 over here on, and then, yep, we'll be all good. Alright guys, so I finished putting all the panels on here, and look at that, perfect, no gaps anywhere. Should keep all the rain and water and snow out and everything. So now I just got to get the hood back on the car, and we should be game. Alright y'all, so I got the hood back on the car. As you can see, all covered up, all good to go. I'll be taking it out to a meet tonight. I don't know if I'll have a video for you guys or not, but I might, so stay tuned for that. But I'm not going to wrap this video up just yet though. I want to go, I want to put the hood pins on in this video as well, so maybe next time when I get around to it, I'll get the hood pins on. But yeah, so stay tuned for that, and we'll be right back. So I got these RIP headers, long tube headers. They add up to 30 horsepower paired with a good tune, so excited about those. I'm just going to clean them up a little bit, but yeah, you can't buy these anymore. They discontinued them a while ago, so it's a little bit damaged. The guy, I heard he was lowered, so he bent the pipes in a little bit. But yeah, I'm not planning on going that low for this car, and these are like some of the best headers you can get, so I found them used for a good deal, so I picked them up, and yeah, pretty happy about that. Alright, what's up guys? Now I'm getting ready to go install the hood pins for the Eclipse, so let's go over. I'll show you guys what I got started for that, and then we can get to work. Alright y'all, so to start, I marked the middle dot right there for where the middle of the car is, and then I measured out 18.5 inches both ways, right to where I like it to be sitting for the hood. So got a mark there, and then it's the mark on the right there. I remeasured it twice, and it's on the right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go drill that in, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the first holes drilled here. It's also very important to make sure there's nothing that's going to interfere with underneath. So when you're drilling the holes, make sure there's no hoses or wires or anything that are going to get caught and drilled through, because that's going to cause a lot of extra problems. Alright guys, and the next up here, after you get your hole wide enough to get it started, you need to choose a drill bit that's going to be wide enough to be able to fit this through it. I know this isn't big enough quite yet, and I have a bigger one over here that's a little bit too big, so I'm just going to use this one for now, try to round out the hole so I can just slide this right through. Alright guys, so I covered up the engine bay because metal chips are getting everywhere, but I got the first one in here. It's still loose, just have it generally in there so I can put some grease on top so I can get the measurement for the top of the hood here. My drill just died, so I have to wait for it to charge, but I'm almost done this hole as well, and then we'll be able to get everything settled, drill the hole through the hood here, and then we'll be good to go. Alright y'all, now that I got both of the studs in here, I put some little goop on top of it so that when I close the hood it'll leave a mark so I know where to drill. Alright guys, now as you can see, I put the hood down and now I have the little mark there from the goop. One there and one there, so now I just gotta drill out holes in those two locations so that big enough for this stud to fit through, and then I'll be good to go to put the top part on. And yeah guys, finish up with the video then. We let's put some like taps in here with the rivet gun instead of the screws that came with the kit, just because it was easier, and it's on there pretty good. This is not moving anywhere, so all checks out pretty good. I have to straighten this one out yet, but it's still not going anywhere, so yep. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video then. Got some coilovers, got some headers coming on the way as you guys saw, and can't wait to get those installed, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.